Hello friends, welcome back to Fab Mom. In today's video I'm going to show you Indian closet, that how I organize my closet. Here is my closet. So let's get started. On the first shelf I have stored all my t-shirts and shirts over here in this row. Here is all my tops, that is long tops. Next to it, this is all my shrugs. You can see this is a poncho shrug. This is DIY. If you want, I post this link in the description box below. And here is all my regular daily wear dresses over here. Next to it, here is all my dresses. I hang all my dresses with this dupatta and the pajama. You can see in one hanger only. So whenever I want to wear this dress, I just take out the hanger. I have some space in the same compartment, so I store my earrings organizer over here and my nail paint organizer over here. You can see these all are my nail paints. And in one hanger I store all my belts over here. Here is some my cards and here is my hairspray. And here I have three shelves. On the first shelf I keep all my night dresses. Here is all the pajamas, track pants, capris and shorts over here. You can see these all are the pajamas, and here is all the t-shirts over here. I have some space over there, so I store my night suits over there, extra night suits. In the second shelf I keep all my kurtas, small kurtis and some long shirts over here in this basket. And here is my extra purse over here. I keep all my money and covers, that is gift covers, everything in this, all my cards extra in this. In the third shelf I keep all my leggings in this basket and some extra long kurtis over here. After that there is a one big drawer and three small compartments over here. See, here in this basket I keep some wipes. This is face wipes and makeup remover wipes over here, and some hair accessories, that is hair clips and clutches and rubber bands extra over here. After that, here in this pouch all my sweet memories that I keep in this. You can see here is my hair curler over here, and in this box I store all my jewelry. You can see this is DIY jewelry box. This kind of western jewelry I store over here. This is a bracelet holder and this is a necklace holder, so I keep here my extra Mangal Sutra and jewelry something, and here is all the bracelets. In this space I store my curler over here, and these three small compartments I have stored my regular wearing rings and everything over here. Second compartment I used to keep my socks over here, and in third this is some important things for me. This is a Valentine diary that my husband gave me, so I keep it here. Next compartment I keep all my new dresses, that is dress pieces over here, and here is my heavy kurtis, long kurtis. See, I keep over here, and here all my western dresses, jumpsuits, my western dresses, and besides that I have also some space over there, so I keep my skirts. You can see I keep my skirts and some maxi gowns over there. इसके पीछे वाली जगह का मैंने इस तरह से यूटिलाइज़ किया है. एक्चुअली मैं ज़्यादा स्कर्ट पहनती नहीं हूँ, इसलिए मैंने उसे पीछे रखे हुए हैं. सो जब भी मुझे पहनने होते हैं तो मुझे सिर्फ ये निकालना होता है, एंड आई कैन सी दैट इज़ माई स्कर्ट्स एंड मैक्सी गाउन्स. And in the last compartment I store my denims over here, my full denims over here, and my capris and shorties over here I have. And this is all my scarves and stalls and extra dupattas over there. Many of viewers ask me that how I make this kind of DIY organizer baskets. So here is the simple answer. I use this kind of baskets. I cut the flaps and wrap it with the gift papers, wrapping papers, and you can stick some beautiful stickers to it, so it looks very nice. You can see each and every section I have some space left over at the back side. In some of the compartments I have used it like this. I store night suits over here, and here I store some my extra leggings. You can see this is totally up how you want to use your baskets. This is a totally DIY baskets that I have used. If you don't want to make it at your home, you can buy it from the superstores or online as well. I haven't stored my Indian traditional heavy dresses to it, as I'm not wearing it regularly. I'm only wearing it occasionally or in the function or on the Diwali as once in the year. So I have stored it in under the bed. I'll show you. This is my bed, and under the bed I have a big drawer to it. So I store all my heavy dresses and saris like this. You can see here is transparent, so I can see which dresses are there. Here is my some of the saris. I hardly wear it. Here is my bangle box. There is also one sari cover to it. You can see all my heavy dresses are here. I have used this kind of small sari cover, dress cover also, so I use only for one dress. You can see this kind of sari cover that can store one or two only. And this kind of big sari cover, so I store 3 dresses in one. So here is my closet. You can see how I organize it. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up to it, and do share this video with your family and friends. If you are new, then please subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.